Welcome. If you're looking to take control of your Pinterest account security and want to know how to end activity for a connected device on your PC, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you step by step through the new update so you can easily manage your account sessions and keep your information safe. Let's get started. First, open your preferred browser and head over to the Pinterest website. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, take a look at the left side of your screen. You'll see a menu there. Find and click on the option labeled Settings. Now that you're inside the Settings menu, look for the Security section. This is where Pinterest keeps all the tools you need to manage your account safety. Click on Security to open up more options. Once you're in the Security section, you'll notice an option called Show Sessions. Go ahead and click on that. Here, you'll see a list of all devices that are currently connected to your Pinterest account. This is super helpful if you've logged in from multiple computers, phones, or tablets, or if you just want to keep tabs on where your account is being accessed. To end activity for a specific device, simply find the device you want to remove from the list. Next to it, you'll see an option that says End Activity. Click on that, and Pinterest will immediately sign out your account from that device. But there's one more step to make sure everything's secure. At the top of the sessions list, you'll see an option to revoke sessions. Tap on this if you want to end all active sessions at once, which is a great way to log out everywhere and start fresh. And that's it! You've now learned how to end activity for connected devices on Pinterest using the latest update. Make sure to check your sessions regularly to keep your account safe and secure. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tech tips. Thanks for watching.